Hey, I've been trying to print a large Excel sheet, but I need the header row to repeat on every page. Do you know how to set that up?
Yes, you can use the Print Titles feature for that. It's pretty straightforward. First, go to the Page Layout tab in Excel.
Got it. I'm there now. What next?
Look for the Print Titles button. It should be in the Page Setup group. Click on that, and a dialog box will open.
Okay, I see the page setup window. What should I do here?
Under the Sheet tab, you'll see options for rows to repeat at top and columns to repeat at left. Click in the Rows to Repeat at top field, then select the row you want to repeat. Usually, it's the first row with your headers.
All right, I selected the first row. Is that all I need to do?
Yeah, that's it. Just click OK, and when you print, the selected row should appear at the top of every page.
I feel like kicking myself. I'd been doing it the wrong way for ages. I used to copy the heading and paste at the top of each page. The problem was, if I insert new rows, it disrupts the setting. Thanks a lot. Your explanation saves me a lot of time and effort. There's always a better way to do it.
No problem. The scope of education is changing and it requires ongoing learning not to be left behind. We must always seek to improve ourselves no matter what we do. Happy printing!